Thanks, move over, Jamie Jury, and say hello to lawn lovers of Australia.
Welcome to Lawnporn. Get your lawn on.
The green thumb behind Lawnporn is Matt Dorm, and he started the popular Facebook almost 2 years ago, and it's been growing ever since. It's been liked by 70,000 people.
As you can see by the results of my lawn, it's come back after just 12 days. I'm really glad I did the dethatch. I was worried about nothing. Just great, and I'm preparing for the winter, so I'm really happy with that. Get your lawn on.
And Matty joins us now from his proud lawn. Morning, Matt. Lawnporn has become very popular online. It's exploded, not only here in Australia, but also overseas. Why do people love grass so much?
I think it's just something that's common and something that people enjoy. And, getting a good lawn, it feels good and it makes you proud.
Matt, looking at your lawn makes me feel as insignificant as I have ever felt. When you say that you got it looking so perfect within 12 days, what did you do? What are your secrets? Tell us everything in the next 2 minutes.
Well, oh yeah, fit it all in. It's a bit hard. Look, first off, this isn't my lawn. This is Matty Zontar's lawn. We sponsor him and he uses our products. Our products have got a lot to do with getting a good lawn. Lots of good fertilisation and cutting with one of these things, a cylinder mower. And this is a Swardman. It's one of the most advanced cylinder mowers going. There's all sorts of attachments that you can get with this.
So that's the Rolls Royce of lawn mowers, is it?
Is it more gentle?
It cuts the blades like a pair of scissors rather than slashing it like what a rotary does.
So what does one of those cost? And can we get it at Bunnings?
No, you can't get this one at Bunnings. If you want to get this one, there's a website called woolmowerspares.com.au and you can get one of these. The costs vary with the cartridges, but I think they've got a bit of a special going at the moment, and it might sound a lot. It's about $2,300 will get you in the door with one of those.
Okay, well, Matty, let's go rapid fire here. We've got so many questions from so many viewers. Let's start with Amanda Blake Dempster from Brisbane, who wants to know our grass grows at different speeds.
Oh, that's what mine does.
And different types. Is there a way to turn it around without ripping it up and redoing it?
Oh, look, there are several ways, but one of the easiest ways is to probably spot glyphosate. That's poisoning the grass type that you don't want.
Okay.
Remove that when it's dead and promoting the grass type that you do want to spread into that area.
Okay, that makes sense. Kill the bits you don't want, let the other bits grow.
Okay, so do you put topsoil on? Do you like topsoil?
Yeah, you put topsoil on. You do that mostly during the springtime, other times as well when you want to level it up. And that's basically what you do. Every spring you want to refresh it, and that's how that works,
Okay, just very quickly before you go, Terry Morrison from Brisbane asked, what is the safest way to get carpet grass out of couch lawns?
I think they're talking about carpetweed, perhaps.
Yes.
Carpetweed, if I understand what they're talking about, the carpetweed that I know is quite thick and woody and dense, and it just needs, again, glyphosate and removal and promoting the grass back into the area that you want to grow into.
People love this, Matty. It's a big topic for a lot of people in the suburbs. Lawnporn on Facebook, that's the place to go. Thanks for your time and well done.
You're a hero.
Yeah,
You've just concreted everything at your place, haven't you? You don't have lawn.
Live in an apartment.
Oh, okay.
Cheating.
Well, that is.
Cheating.
I've been in your world.